Hello, my name is Art Lucero. I work for the City of Antioch. We use Easy Street because it's a reliable product that keeps our city safe. We have a water superintendent, Leo Reyes. He was working for the City of Benicia. He was familiar with the Easy Street then. When he came over to the City of Antioch, he brought the Easy Street with him. We saw how easy it is to use, how durable it is to use. It works in water. It will stay in the pothole or where surface cuts, where we have it. It gives the street department confidence in the repairs that they do. They know it'll be long lasting, as well as the standby crew in the middle of the night. They know it's readily available in our courtyard that they can use at any moment and know that that street will be prepared 100%. We like to stockpile Easy Street because our crew would have it on hand at any time they need it. We receive it in bulk shipments and we store it up to 6 months. Our crews use it for surface cuts. We use it for backfill. There's a number of things that we use it for. Sidewalk repair until the concrete's poured. So it's versatile. Easy Street has a positive impact with the City of Antioch in regards to the street department and the standby crew because they know that it's an easy use, durable, fast setup. Once we fill a pothole, it's very seldom we have to go back and repair it again. Easy Street showing potholes who's boss.